Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samsung Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to disable Truecaller popping up after calls on your device. Maybe you are using the Truecaller app, and once you have done making calls, you are going to be noticing something like the details of the person you called or the person that called you popping up on your screen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop that if you don't need it. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this on this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to open up your Truecaller app and log in. Once you are done logging into your app, you're going to be clicking on the three lines on the top of your screen. See that? And clicking on settings. In the settings here, you are clicking on calls. You can see that the second option. On the second option here, you are scrolling down and clicking on hidden for phone book contacts. Hid for non-phone book contacts. You're going to be turning the both of them on. So that is it on how to stop Truecaller popping up after calls on your device. If you found this helpful, because I've come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when I upload more helpful videos like this on this channel. If you still have any question about this video, you can go ahead and type it down on the comment section. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you guys in the next one. Bye.